Get attention, base high voltage doing. Now still Naija FM 102.7 in position for live and direct. Exactly 10 minutes of base. Leave 9 a.m. on top today, Thursday, the 25th day of November 2021. That and the song of Davolee. Okay. He was one of the youngest to fall out. Whether he still remain young, I don't know, because I didn't say he don't reach over 4 years since they introduced and give us. So if you had 4 years, you're in young age that time, I old man right now. And Davolee there with studio right now. It's all about right. Ikotum boy. Okay, you need to tell them they go.
I hold many arena down.
Okay. Where you don't hold strong, I'll be over time when you don't represent.
I used to be a motion boy. I used to be
okay.
a boy. All the way, I more short to the world.
Back to back. Okay, welcome, bro. That's not the voice of Davolee. My name is Sirima Warubo BMC around B. So in the next couple of minutes, I go to yarn with Davolee, get to know his plans for your upcoming album. I don't say you don't drop. You don't drop festival bars. Don't drop. Okay, festival bar 5 days ago. Oh, that means lose guard on that one. But earlier you get. Which one you drop right now?
Album.
The name of the album when you drop. Any wish. Okay, the last time when I familiar myself with a festival bar.
Album,
yeah.
The song where you just play finished on the album.
But this one they released like far back as about 5 months ago, like around March, June, July, around that time.
May, yeah.
You get, but I try to calculate the album when it don't drop today. I don't say drop EP when I pay attention to that time. Festival bar EP. Yeah. Then last year. Then you get any wish, right?
That's the album 5 days ago.
When you drop right now. How many track album first of all? 15 track.
Davolee album.
Okay. We call this one like your debut album, body of work. Why it take you that long to drop album?
Well, when some things are not right, you don't.
This one where they speak English, Davolee not pidgin, you speak.
Try do that. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
If they try to do that, I guess what became now, so I don't think they used to this speaking.
Okay.
So it's not a try to say. Try do some kind of things and the time never reach.
Yeah, not your way for the right time.
Yeah, it is.
So what to make you feel saying at the right time to drop album with this?
Yeah, because I have the resources. I get the resources. I get within. They tell me, say, yes, bro, you are good.
Time don't reach. When you mean resources, you just signed on another record label?
No, I'm not signed. When I say resources, I have the content because the record label is not going to keep me. My content is. So,
Davolee, we go focus on your any wish now your 15 track album when they released like 5 days ago.
Yes,
but we don't fit talk about Davolee without talking about Olamide YBNL.
True.
4 years ago, inside the studio now, Olamide 5 years. Don't reach 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I know. I'm not sure they don't reach 5 years completely, but over 4 years ago.
Actually reached 5 years. 2016.
2016. Okay, 5 years. I talk about when you take come with studio when they introduce you. Yes, when they introduce you.
Close to 5 years before you see now by February.
Okay, go don't reach 5 years. But February never reach now. Okay, so over 4 years ago, Olamide introduced you on top with studio here as a new signed artist. Now along the line, I not like give you. With the lines when you boss that time, a lot of expectation, they very high. But along the line, you just be like say things fall out of place. We're not gonna hear much from here again. Then later,
I talk earlier say if some kind things, if time never reach for some kind things, it no go just happen, and then you go feel say you dey do everything. This thing supposed to happen, but it no go happen because maybe you yourself you no ready, but you no go know say you never even ready. As at that time, say if you yourself you no go know, but you go just dey see say maybe you dey plan like this, you want make you go, you go eventually still go.
But what really occur between you and YBN? I just want to declare on that because too many insinuations don't happen.
I made records after records,
and you know they release.
It's released now. I mean, there are a lot of my album that I said. So I said a lot. If you really read between the lines of everything I've said, because that is why I have the album. So if I have the album and I still have to talk.
So you try to say everything went on call between you and YBN and they explained inside your new album.
Because it's not as if there is a direct something that actually happened. Sure, you understand? It wasn't direct. So you can't come out and say, okay, this is what happened, this is what happened, this is what happened. No. Everything just had to play.
I just want to ask you get standy D with YBNL before you discharge. Officially D be never did. Now the normal period of probation.
If you don't get due, Davolee under YBNL.
Because some people will feel say you dey pain, say you not fall out as one of those when they sign officially this and that.
Okay, say I did pain because they don't sign me officially.
Yeah.
I would have even been regretting it if I was signed officially though.
To YBNL?
Yes, because
they gave you a platform, bro.
As at then, this is it. Try to understand me. It's not about the platform now. I know they did. As at then, I think that was what I needed. Needed
to come outside.
But now, I feel that is not. I think I
based on evolution.
Yes.
Okay.
That is not what I need. That is not what every other artist out there even needs. As a matter of fact, the way I see the business now, the way I see the industry,
they far different before.
Yeah, you don't have to be under any
record label to take fall out.
The reason why you are under a record label is because you really don't have the capacity, the strength, what you think you need to do, your right steps. You don't know your parts, and then, bro, you can still eventually fall under record label. They do these things for you
without you not knowing.
Your deal is still going to end.
Yes, last you still be on your own.
Any of these things. Sure, you understand. So when you are
so hold on, from your yans right now, you don't learn through being an independent a lot more than being on that record label.
Been there, so I can come and tell you.
See how far.
Yeah, so that's it. It's not like I don't appreciate the fact that.
Well, I'm gonna give you the platform. Yeah.
But I'm putting it to you, bro, that is not just what I want. You know, say people get.
But I don't be for you, because even when you come out, it be like say, I don't know if now set up record label.
You know, even when you do under record label, and then they sign artists, there's a little feel of competition.
Yes.
So now there's a pressure that comes with it as well.
A lot of pressure. Yeah, so I like the fact that you agree to that.
When I tell you that I don't want it, I don't really want it. When I tell you it is not what I need.
But when you move from YBNL, it be like say you be enter another label again at one time when they come to introduce you something like.
Because you know
they still come up for
learning. Yeah, it's not even a label. I was trying to just get things right. Sure, you understand?
Okay.
Because people go talk initially. So when things they sup, people they actually, and you too. If people they talk, even if people
it will affect you one kind in one way.
They even talk. If they do something again and again and again and again, and it's not getting through, even you say
it will affect you. Yeah.
Do you understand?
If your mind not strong, if you give up for life.
Say people can't they talk.
Yes.
Now that one they even make some certain people commit suicide. Man, I got brothers in this also that are.
But how you take deal with those whole talk because a lot of people drag you, feel say you being great, this and that, and even of recent, one of the girl when also come out from the label, what's her name? YBNL Princess. They always even put your name. Oh, you were not treated right. She was not treated right. You get this and that. But how you take really fight those?
We can't say we are not treated right. We are not in that position. You know.
To say that, okay.
To the best of my knowledge, this person in question is also an artist.
You see, get your movement to push.
And he doesn't want to go down anytime soon. So you see where the pressure is coming from. He's trying to put some people on. But
see one remain for that place.
Put some people on. When you person the ground, you lift and say, okay, I want. In the process, because nobody know tomorrow, so anything fits up. In the process, you can't reach this place. You say if you can't tire, you can't leave. You know, see that person, if you lose guard, you go just fall back.
You not be like,
you carry person from ground, put down for some certain spot. You say if can't tire. The person itself automatically don't even know
how it reach there. The process.
Not to talk of to continue. You understand. So there are a lot of things that are attached. There are emotions. There are. Me self, I won't grow. I just be house 247 every day.
Nothing they
sup. So I dey boil, parade my body. Sure you understand. And then
regardless, some people also get expectation on top your body.
There is love. There is forget it. No love lost, bro.
But
regardless of whatsoever, we need to unleash
steadily. But since then, no yarns between the top.
Yeah. There is no, and then some kind piece they go, and then that's just personal. But we are here. That is why we are here.
But any maybe like court fights when it concerns copyright gbege, nothing like that, sha.
Like fights?
Like court fights, like
no.
Copyright gbege, you are not supposed to do this, you are not supposed to do this. You still have like that, right?
I think with God, by God's grace, I'm getting my parts right. Nobody fit challenge me. Anybody will challenge me, challenge God.
Don't involve God for the matter or I win. Anyway, we still get Davolee for the building right now. A new album, a first debut album, Any Wish, just followed 5 days ago, 50-track album. Now talking about the album, how long it take you to prepare, and how old are the songs when they inside the album?
I recorded about 10 tracks of that album in a session. Yeah?
Session.
10 tracks in a session, just a short session.
For real?
Yes, I recorded about 10.
What do you sing inside the song? For real?
No,
I need to go listen to that album then.
On a session.
For real? Which producer you work with?
I work with about 4 or 5. I work with Crespin. That is my day one.
Okay.
Through thick and thin. I used to travel from Ikotun to Mowe to record with
him. Okay.
So I saw the zeal. I knew that yes.
Then when I done this since then.
Yeah.
Okay. How many tracks you produced?
About 8 or 9 on my album.
Okay.
So we really gave it,
Oh.
So and then I hope he's talking to God too, because we need to work together for good. So these things work for everybody.
Okay. Then who you get featured on top of the album?
It's only Davolee. It's a Davolee album.
Oh, for it, just you.
It is real life. It is real life and real life. There is no way you are going to listen to the 15 track and you won't find a song for yourself. Yeah, you are going to find something for yourself. Because trust me, man, when I say I've been there, I just want to pour out my mind, my emotions.
And what you do on top of this album?
Yes, I have an extended family. I reach out to people. I know what is going on out there to some extent.
But what will be your take on top of depression?
Yeah, man. It's just.
But for you, just for this part of the world, not speak much about it.
I don't conquer depression, because as at 2018, bro, no the beans. And then if you listen to a record I made that time, Urimi baby, yeah, you sense it. I really don't need to tell you that. I was in a rehearsal the other day, so my backup artists were asking me, what was the inspiration behind this way song, and I was like, man, basically it's just depression.
I can agree to that, because I guess sometimes when you listen to artist song, you know, see where did they speak from. Now song.
Yeah, so and I said everything in Festival Bar. If you've been following me, somebody said
Festival Bar.
Somebody said Davolee left. I never left. You were the one that I was never following.
No, when most time when Nigeria say artists leave, me say they know they get to hear, or music know they reach their domot the way they expect them to reach their domot. That don't mean say they drop bad. That don't mean say they around. It's just like it gets some artists on to say, I never know where this guy did for it. Well, that because I never hear his song. I never the opportunity you get. But that don't mean say never drop song. Or maybe the push not reach where I did. You get. You go reach. No, you all reach my side.
No. Maybe all the people where they even ask where is Davolee.
Yeah, Davolee is back right now.
Because I have a long way to go.
Yeah.
I'm just 27. I'm young, so I have a lot on my mind that I really want to unleash. Wait,
Davolee, calm down. You say you be 27.
Yes.
Why did they say be 26 online here now? You need to.
I'm on online. No, this is real life.
27, right?
Yes,
okay. Now, sharp right now. You play now one of the single of the Any Wish debut album by you. I would like me to get a feel of on right now. When we come back, we'll get to know what will be your future plans, and if Davolee go give other artists to this side on top of the label. That's if you decide one set up your own label.
Let me just say that very fast. I don't believe in it, so I don't think I'm going to do it. I'm just going to support. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to put people on. If it takes me to just give them verse, to just promote, that is.
But setting up a record label.
Now, that is the best of my knowledge. I can't keep anybody.
Based on your experience, when you don't get.
I have experience, so I can't keep anybody and let the person be feeling some kind
of way say not they useful. Okay, I want just know what will be the inspiration behind this song. Yes, now play with the title. I already know say you try just one play with words and the rest.
And then it's not.
What happened that they want on the record? Bottle of drink day, they rap something, they roll something.
No, it's just vibe,
Wait, which one? But you know they roll. You they roll normally now. See your lips now. We know ourselves now.
No, even
now forget that pick lips. Help me.
No, even. Maybe my lips. So my lips don't black since when I smoke.
You don't say.
For primary school, one teacher called me to me, just confronts me all of a sudden, tell me, say,
what did happen?
Say this thing where they do, make I stop.
I never will start.
I dey tell you. I just dey wonder for that place. Then say this thing where they do, make I stop. And you no good, you no go.
Yeah.
What
if it is?
This man feel it
talk. Yeah. Now your lips they give a
wrong. Weekend we say you guys I go take ask am say wetin need to talk.
You go pick it. Yeah.
So I don't feel even ask am.
You just keep quiet and look out. No, I know some of my friends when we say naturally they never spoke for their life, but their lips just they black. Yeah, they like that. But you know, say we they easily judge from outside for this country. So once we just see people lips, now you go smoke I be now we smoke I be you get. Anyway, we still get Davolee for the building right now. Talking about your album, yeah, you don't talk the whole inspiration behind the album and the rest then. But I just want to right now, waiting the next for this particular album right now. Just 5 days ago, I release them.
Yeah, this album, man, I'm going as hard as possible.
Okay.
God's grace.
Okay.
Just keep your fingers crossed. I'm not going to tell you what will happen. You just see it.
Videos update to any of the songs?
Yeah, I don't drop 3 videos.
Already.
I don't drop video for happiness.
Yeah.
I don't drop video for love. I don't drop video for play. So
more videos will see come.
12 tracks to go.
So more videos will see come.
It's not being sad.
But plans there for you to collabo with.
There are plans, and then I'm working on them. So that is why I say you really need to keep your fingers crossed.
Now, Davolee, as an independent artist right now, I know say the music business for Nigeria right now, they go on that whole level and it's not funny.
I spoke about it on my album. That's why I told you there's a track titled Music Business on my album.
Oh man, that means I they follow you think even though I never listen to the full album there.
So I said basically everything.
So right now you get support or you just do your thing yourself?
I get support
guys
to the best of my knowledge, and I'm going to continue to get support till I die, because with your mouth you have to prophesy what it is. So I'm giving it all it takes. It's getting better every day.
Okay, all of us know say most of the artists won't get here. We'd always want seek for. Okay, it's a good move, but sometimes I say I'm seeking for validation of being signed. Okay, signed to international label, book. We they see because right now the way you dey, I be like you don't give up on Nigeria record label. So what if on international level, maybe one of all these labels say, okay,
record label.
Yeah,
there are levels to record label now. There are deals like you are going to read, and if you
check out.
It's good to have a lawyer as well. So if you can read, there are levels to record label. Brother. It's just the ones that we've seen, that we've encountered, and we are not happy with. That is why we don't even want to hear about
record label. Okay. Now talking about you, be 27 years old. We want to know, because one of the popular thing when we know Nigeria artists for recent, I say they get baby mamas everywhere. You don't enter, you don't attempt that settles.
I have a kid and I have a girlfriend, and then hopefully by God's grace.
Okay.
We are going to get
the girlfriend. I born the kid, right? And now you see they with it now. How long are they together?
About 3 years, yes.
3 years now. That means for you to say by God's grace, that means you plan to settle down with her. Oh man, I like focus guys like now. No, serious. You get why. I hope so. You know go share from your word very, very soon, Sha. But anyway, now talking about your family and parents, where they didn't see Lagos here.
I know I don't have parents. I don't have mom. I don't have a dad, and that is why my eyes is very red.
Oh, sorry about that, bro.
I don't have parental care. One person no pamper me, so now white blood in my eyes. So if you just say I the para, I want no verse. So now
yeah. Sorry about that. Now this I don't want to use the word say. Now the same type me and you. So you don't want me to even lose my parents, but I just will say somehow it's been the better part of you, because you don't want to make mistake, because you don't get those to guide you again.
At some point, I even felt like, okay, I think I know the reason why God did this.
Do this, just to learn. No, things will certainly get better. That one, 100% sure. Now, before you come out, just few bars I want me you draw, because
I
never will finish it.
Paragon. So now I be say if you want even hear bars like this,
you go listen to album,
because I the Paragon.
The Paragon. So what be your favorite track of the album? I want to know.
Every 2 minutes they change, because as I hear the album, if anyone who don't eat me for my spot, I go put on for repeat. So they change every 2 minutes.
Every 2 minutes. But if you name like 5, like waiting like 5 top favorite inside the 15 when profit, just go check out first.
Firewood. Firewood is there. Fatherhood. There's firewood. There's
fatherhood. Okay.
There's yellow card. There is situation.
The yellow card at the facing and the yellow card when they give you that time.
Bro, I tell you say at the power.
Yeah, I get fatherhood that you're picking when you born. Yeah. Firewood, you don't use firewood to cool when you don't get money.
Firewood.
Yeah, firewood. You don't mention to the remaining two sharp because they want read news right now.
Okay, it's to King of Boys.
Oh, okay.
Innocent, because Innocent is for the youths out there. It's for the Nigerian youths, basically. When the moment you listen to the first 16 bars, you already relate to what I'm saying.
See what it is up. Okay, sharp, my brothers and sisters. Tell not too much inside the gate. Davolee leave us right now. So make sure you go check out the album Any Wish by Davolee. Davolee on top of digital platforms, right?
Yeah.
Audio mark, everywhere. You get an idea of how the streaming numbers will be currently right now.
Yeah, grace of God, no day.
Hey, gwele, voila. Anyway, thank you very much, Davolee. Your last word for the youth, because a lot of people they look up to you.
Go your music business.
Everything they be. Oh yeah, now you don't hear. And then now on top of this interview with Davolee, I still remember what the Bobby and Charon.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.